Welcome to our today's live session. Today we are going to see scholarship paper 22nd February 2026 set C. Now we will see our first question. Read the dialogue between teacher and student. Choose alternative and complete the meaningful dialogue. Student said, "May I go outside the classroom, sir?" Teacher said dash dash dash. We have to find out the answer. Then students say our answer is depend on the next sentence. My sister is waiting for me. Sir, please let me go. Teacher said yes, you can. Student said thank you. So now we will see the options. Bring that book. Second option, not now. Third option, don't shout. Fourth option, solve the exercise. Now bring that book. It is not related to our sentences. Then not now, it is a correct answer because next sentences depend on that one. Don't shout, it is also not related to question, and solve the exercise, it is also not related to our question. Now we will see the next question. It is the first G20 summit to be held in dash dash. Option number 1, North Asia. Option number 2, South Asia. Option number 3, South America. Option number 4, North Africa. It is the first G20 summit to be held in. Now we will see the passage. India has begun its preparation for concluding the G20 summit with a great enthusiasm and dedication. As you walk on the roads of Delhi and its neighboring cities, the G20 summits strengthens preparation can be seen. G20 is a group of 20 countries working towards strengthening international economic cooperation. After the completion of 18 summits, India is hosting the 19th G20 summit in 2023. Now we read that paragraph. We will see the answer. It is the first G20 summit. It is held in South Asia. It is held in South Asia. So our correct option is option number 2. Dash dash is hosting the 19th G20 summit in 2023. 19th G20 summit hosting in 2023, that is India. India is hosting the 19th century G20 summit. So our answer is India. Now next question. Under which organization Chandrayaan is it? No. Now next instruction for question number 4 to 6. We will see that following questions on this passage. Under which organization Chandrayaan 3 mission was held? Option number 1, NDA, 2, IIT, 3, ISRO, and 4, NASA. Chandrayaan 3 is the third Indian lunar exploration mission under the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. That is our answer, ISRO. On 14 July 2023, dash dash was launched. See here, Chandrayaan 3 was launched on 14 July 2023. So our answer is Chandrayaan 3. Options are Chandrayaan 3, Chandrayaan 2, Chandrayaan 1 and PSLV. Option number 1 is correct answer. Chandrayaan 3 consists of dash dash. Steam engine, lander Vikram, rover Pragyan, plastic tin and chemical coal. Chandrayaan 3 consists of Lander name Vikram and rover name Pragyan. So our correct answer is option number 2. Lander Vikram and rover Pragyan. Choose the correct preposition. Yash lives in the flat just. Chandrayaan 3 okay. Choose the correct preposition. Yash lives in the flat just dash dash mine. On, it is a wrong answer. Between, it is also wrong answer. Above, it is a correct answer. Now next question. Choose the correct alternative for the given picture. Joker, painter, chef, carpenter. That is a picture of chef. So our correct answer is chef. Our next question. Complete the wave diagram to make new compound word. Choose the correct alternative from the following. Now, backyard, backdrop, background. Now, which is the correct answer? Backless. It is the correct answer. Next question. Choose two correct alternatives for the following sentence. My necklace has been stolen. That question is in the passive voice. We have to identify the active voice. Everybody steals my necklace. It is wrong answer. Somebody has stolen my necklace. It is the correct answer. He has stolen my necklace. It is also correct answer. We have to choose the two options. Everybody has stolen my necklace. It is also wrong answer. Next question. A soft, slow song put children to sleep is called poem, lullaby, song, bhajan. Our correct answer is lullaby. Next question. It is the history of life of person written by himself. What's it? Autobiography, biography, biology, cardiology. Our correct answer is autobiography. Now it is a 9:15. The train will arrive at 10 o'clock. It means it will arrive after 45 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 55 minutes. Our correct answer is 45 minutes. Next question. Complete the slogan dash dash plastic and stop pollution. Use, buy, avoid, purchase. So our correct answer is avoid. Next question. Which two options of adjectives cannot be used to make meaningful sentence? Ramesh likes dash dash vegetables. Leafy, stale, fresh, hard. Our correct answers are leafy, fresh. Our next question. Choose the correct alternatives from the following to complete the puzzle. That one is grid. We have to give in there. We have to correct identify the letters. CHANDRAYN, Chandrayaan. M, we have to find out the related words. MOON, moon. Then ROVER. So our correct option is 1 number. Next question. The sentence formula for yes no type question is auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus object plus question mark. Find out the correct alternative which has above formula. First here given their auxiliary verb. So here this one shall and this one shall. That one is wrong. Then shall make I coffee, it is a wrong option. Shall I coffee make, it is also wrong option. Shall I make coffee, it is the right answer. Option number 4 is correct. Next question. Choose the correct sentence of future perfect tense. Future perfect, what is the formula of future perfect? Will plus have plus V3. Where we have to find out the here had been plus taught, it is wrong. It is not related to future tense. Had laugh, it is also wrong. Would, it is a past form. So it is our correct answer. Our teacher will have taught us a lesson. Option number 4 is correct answer. Next, choose the correct alternative for comparative degree. The peacock had a gorgeous tail like no other bird. No other bird has gorgeous tail like peacock. So here we have to identify the comparative form. So more plus er is needed. No other bird has gorgeous tail like peacock. It is also wrong option. All birds had as gorgeous tail, as it is a positive form, so it was also wrong. Many birds had more gorgeous tail like peacock. It is the right option. Sorry. It is also wrong option. The peacock's tails had more gorgeous, it is the correct form, than any other birds. It is the correct form of the comparative degree. So option number 4 is correct. Now instructions for the question number 20 to 21. Read the news carefully and choose correct option. Closed shoes not allowed in the examination hall. Now who is conducting the entrance test? Modern Institute Bombay, Ideal Institute Pune, AEP Education Society Nagpur, Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology Bangalore. Here given there Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology, it is our correct answer. So option number 4 is correct. Choose 2 correct options. This year the prestigious institute issued the list of dash dash do's, don'ts, rules and regulations appear students. So we have to find out the answer in this passage only. Here given their list of do's and don'ts for the candidates. So our correct option is option number 1 and option number 2. Now next question, choose the correct alternative to explain the underlying phrase. Food, cloth and shelter are bread and butter for human being. Fast food items, sprouts, essential things for life, balanced diet. Essential things for life, it is the correct answer. Next question, choose the correct alternative. When shall we conduct the entrance test? Interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, assertive sentence. When shall we conduct the entrance test? It is an interrogative sentence. Next, fill in the blanks with the proper modal auxiliary showing advice. You look tired, you dash dash, lie down and rest. Can, it shows ability. May, it shows possibility. Should, it shows advice. That's why it is the correct answer. Could, it is wrong answer. Now next question, choose the correct alternative of indirect speech. Why are we here? Asked a boy to his mother. That is an interrogative sentence. So we have interrogative sentence in the WH question. The connecting word we use as it is the WH word. A boy asked his mother, why were they there? A boy asked his mother why he was there. A boy asked his mother why they were there. A boy said to it one is wrong. Here why are we here? Here when we turn into the indirect speech, we use the adverbial there. And are it transfer into where. So a boy asked his mother why were they here there. It is the correct answer. Sorry, the boy asked his mother why they were there. It is the right answer. Thank you very much.